Tank, flip it. Oh! Oh, no! Are you kidding me? Uh-oh. Away from the car. I'm going to have it painted anyway. No worries, man. You're not worried about that, are you? I mean, look at that hair. What the? Look at me. I'm wild. Tank. He's just tough, man. And we don't train him to do this. We're not like Michael Vick or whatever. That's what he does all day. He plays with barrels. Where's it? You don't have that propane tank anymore, I guess. So he's nuts. Is that your toy? A barrel? Is a barrel your toy? Is that barrel your toy? Here, can we throw it? No? You just like it. You got a lot of miles on that. Just away from the car. Your dog's crazy. This is Tank. Playing with a sort of a tank. Oh. Now he's rolling it. He's rolling it, folks. He's rolling it. Tank.